Welcome, I'm David Fedor with Excel Sportswear, and I'm here today at Smail Honda in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Now, every October, Smail Auto Group goes pink to help the fight against breast cancer. And this year, we teamed up with them to come up with a t-shirt design to help them with their cause.
My name's Jeff Smail. I'm with Smail Auto Group. I'm the general manager of our Ford store. I signed up for the 2019 Real Men Wear Pink campaign and donated a portion of our proceeds for the month of October to various charities for breast cancer. But what really kicked off our campaign is my cousin came up with the idea to put words of encouragement on all our buildings. But ever since then, we've been decorating or showing us our support in the month of October on our buildings, along with when you purchase a vehicle from us in the month of October, we make a financial contribution to various breast cancer charities.
Tell me about the shirts. We have Real Men Wear Pink, and then on the back it has the Smail logo. A lot of the shirts that you sold are for employees. Tell me what it means to see your employees rally around you and your cause, raising the awareness and fight against breast cancer.
Like I told you before, we set a goal to sell about 50 shirts, and I was completely blown away when we put in an order for 130 shirts. That was all done by our employees. I didn't go around and asking for donations. I probably could have sold even more if we did that, but we sent out a flyer and everyone's paycheck, and I was just overwhelmed with the response we got from the employees and how many people came up and thanked me, for doing this for the charity. So it was eye-opening to me, no doubt.
This was another way to tie in with the employees and have them participate. Really excited because we had way more exposure and more participation than we originally expected. And everyone's really had a lot of fun wearing the shirts. We had people who ordered multiple shirts because of the fact that they wanted to be able to wear them, not just on we traditionally have 2 days where everybody wears pink. And so we've had people that have been wearing them all month, and we've even had some outsiders that have purchased them, not just employees. So that's really exciting, but it's a nice way to partner with the Real Men Wear Pink campaign.
The t-shirts, they help us come together as a team. It reminds me of the pep rallies in high school. Do you know what I mean? Even it's like this wave of spirit. I mean, I guess is the best way to put it. It's a spirit that comes over us that we're doing better. We're making a difference for this thing that makes darkness for so many people.
Now, for more information about how you could help fight breast cancer and more about the Real Men Wear Pink campaign, visit exceltees.com or smailauto.com. This is David Fedor with Excel Sportswear. Thank you for watching.